Welcome back to Buy Smart, the channel that helps you make smarter purchasing decisions.
Today, we have an exciting comparison for you. On the left side of the screen, we have the ROVE dash cam front and rear 2K plus 1080p with 64GB SD card and built-in Wi-Fi. And on the right side, we have the ROVE R2-4K Pro dash cam. Let's dive right into it and see which one comes out on top.
When it comes to video resolution, both of these dash cams offer impressive capabilities. The ROVE dash cam supports 2K plus 1080p resolution for both the front and rear cameras, ensuring every detail on the road is captured.
On the other hand, the ROVE R2-4K Pro takes it a step further with its 4K Ultra HD recording at 216p.
That means clearer license plates and road signs day or night.
In today's digital age, connectivity is key.
The ROVE dash cam comes with built-in 2.4G Wi-Fi and an accompanying app for Android and iOS devices.
You can easily download videos, change settings, and even share your footage on social media with just a tap of a finger.
As for the ROVE R2-4K Pro, it takes it up a notch with advanced dual-band 5G and 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi. Pairing your smartphone with this dash cam is a breeze, and you can even set up all the settings within their user-friendly app. Now let's talk about parking mode. The ROVE dash cam offers a 24-hour parking mode that automatically switches on when your car is parked.
With its motion and collision detection, you can have peace of mind knowing that any incidents will be captured.
The ROVE R2-4K Pro also has a custom-designed 24/7 parking mode with options like time-lapse video, motion detection, and collision detection. You'll be alerted of any events that occurred while you were away. Just make sure to grab the hardwire kit for full functionality.
When it comes to night vision, both dash cams excel in capturing clear videos, even in low light conditions.
The ROVE dash cam utilizes a GCCC-MOS sensor with a wide aperture ensuring precise color accuracy and clarity.
The ROVE R2-4K Pro, with its f1.5 aperture and advanced night vision technology, balances exposure in extreme dark scenarios, giving you clear footage day or night.
Let's talk about price and warranty.
The ROVE dash cam comes at a price of $119, and it's backed by a full 1-year warranty. Plus, they offer a full refund within 30 days if you encounter any issues. As for the ROVE R2-4K Pro, it's priced at $159 and also comes with a 1-year warranty.
It's good to know that both companies have customer-centric support teams ready to assist you. Based on online reviews, customers have praised the ROVE dash cam for its excellent video quality, user-friendly app, and good customer support. They also appreciate its affordability.
On the other hand, the ROVE R2-4K Pro has received positive feedback for its easy setup, quality build, and excellent product quality.
Customers have expressed satisfaction with their purchase and the company's customer service. And there you have it, folks. We've compared the ROVE dash cam front and rear 2K plus 1080p with 64GB SD card and built-in Wi-Fi against the ROVE R2-4K Pro dash cam. Both are excellent choices, but it ultimately comes down to your preferences and budget. Don't forget to check the links in the description for more information and the best deals on these dash cams. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more product comparisons. Stay smart and see you next time on Buy Smart.